Welcome once again. Let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now, fake is one of the best small cap coin. Fake have shown great improve. As of last year, fake really tried and they deleted it zero. Now, fake token currently trade with about 9 zeros at the time of recording this. Now, what is the worth of 1 trillion coins? If you are having 1 trillion coins of fake token, how much can you really make? How much can this number of coins return to you? Now, at the time of recording this, you need about $602 investment in order to buy 1 trillion coins of fake token. Now imagine this coin that is trading with about 9 zeros goes ahead and deletes just a single zero, just 1 zero. Your money will be worth about $6,000. Wow, $5,400 profit if fake token delete just 1 zero. Now, fake deleting 2 zeros will give you about $60,000 with a profit of about $59,400, and fake token deleting 3 zeros will return almost $601,000. $601,000 deleting 3 zeros, and 4 zeros will return about $6 million, while 5 zeros will return over $60 million with an investment of $602. Now, is there any possibility that this coin can delete up to 5 zeros? So when you take a look at crypto history, when you compare this to other crypto coins like Dogecoin, like Shiba Inu, you discover that yes, there are some coins in the past they started trading with about 12 zeros. Today they have 4 zeros. Some coins started with 10 zeros. Today they have 3 zeros. While some coins started with over 15 zeros. Today they have 8 zeros. But the only thing this requires is patience. Most of these coins do not just delete all these zeros at once. Some of them, it took them years, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years for them to be able to reach where they are today. It's why I can only tell you it's only Shiba Inu that did the magic within the period of a year plus. Shiba Inu was able to gain billions of percent, deleting a lot of zeros. Okay, so for fake token, yes, there's a possibility, but let's stop talking about 5 zeros. Not just imagine fake token deleting 2 zeros. You're already making over $60,000. That's a lot of profit. Deleting just 2 zeros, you're making a profit of $59,400. That is enough. Even 1 zero returns you about $5,400. What are we saying? This is a great profit, and there's a possibility. All we need to hope for, all we need to pray is let crypto industry start pumping. Let crypto industry start rising. Let BTC start hitting back at its all-time price. Let Bitcoin start pumping. Then we'll be seeing this coin hitting massive increase in price. And I hope to see the best. I hope that crypto industry will continue to pump. Fake token is going to rise. Remember to invest what you can afford to lose. You don't need to buy 1 trillion. You can still buy 100 million coins. You can buy, just invest whatever you can afford to lose. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.